Okay, so in this video, I'm going to share 5 benefits of affiliate marketing and give you tips to building a robust business without having to own a product. It's my belief that if you really want to get started online, the best way to start is with affiliate marketing to promote and sell somebody else's product and earn a commission. Okay, because then you don't really have to worry about spending months working out a product to create and whether it's going to work or not and that sort of stuff. You can take a product that is proven, a product that's already selling, a product that's providing a good, solid commission by a reputable company, and you can go out and promote it and earn. Okay, so in a minute, I'm going to share with you the 5 major benefits of affiliate marketing and why you should get started in it today. Okay, so let's just jump straight in with benefit number 1. It's a low-cost business opportunity. And by that I mean you don't have to invest hundreds or tens of thousands of dollars in startup capital. So there's no startup costs, or very, very, very small startup costs. Okay, you may need a computer, internet connection, maybe some bits and pieces for content creation, but seriously, you've probably got 90% of everything you need anyway. So that's a great thing. So it's not going to cost you an arm, that you don't need a lot of money to get started in affiliate marketing. And you don't have to carry any stock. How great is that? Like, you don't have to have a garage full or a warehouse full of stock, just waiting to move the stock and having all your money tied up there. So in that way, in that regard, it's a great option. And of course, as I mentioned in previous videos, it's a level playing field. Age, race, creed, color, culture. That doesn't come into the situation here. Anybody can start out doing affiliate marketing. Okay, we all start somewhere. We start small and we build, right? The people who are earning 6 and 7 figures a year doing affiliate marketing didn't start there, right? They started where you are now. So once again, and please, age, technical ability, all that sort of stuff is not a barrier. Okay, now obviously you may need to know how to create a website, but you can also get help with that. Okay, so any objection that you have is, but I can't, but I can't, put it away, because if you can't do it yourself, you can always find somebody to help you, and not at a great cost. Okay, so that's benefit number 1. Let's look at benefit number 2. No experience needed. Okay, so you don't have to be a guru. You can start out and you can learn as you go, and as you learn as you go, as you start to generate traffic and all your content and everything starts to come together, you'll start to earn while you learn. Okay, and then obviously those earnings are going to start to compound. So you're going to start out small with a trickle and a sale here and a sale there, and as you get more confidence and your website and your content gets a broader and broader reach, the sales will increase and you will earn more and more commissions. Okay, so once again, the excuse of, but I don't know what I'm doing, or I've got no experience, or I've never done this before. This is all stuff that can be learned, and learned very, very easily. Okay, what's the next one? Low risk. Okay, so as I mentioned in the intro to this, you don't have to spend time creating your own product, because that is a huge risk. And there are probably better ways to create products. That's the way I create products, is I actually create products to a beta group. I actually survey my audience and ask them what they're looking for. Then I invite a beta group into that. But a lot of people out there, they'll spend months, 6 months, 12 months, creating a product, and it might be absolutely amazing. And then they put it out there and nobody buys it. And that could be for a number of reasons, but that's pretty high risk. That's a pretty big investment in time, sometimes in money, to get nowhere. And at least with affiliate marketing, you don't have that risk. If you choose the right products, if you choose your products well, usually, as I said, if you stick with the products that you know, the products that you use yourself, so you know they're successful, you know they're selling, you know there's a need, you know that it's fulfilling, it's providing a solution, then you're not going to have that problem, because the the product is already selling, and the vendor themselves are usually out there advertising and promoting that sort of stuff and bringing more people in, okay? And the other great thing about affiliate marketing is the vendor takes care of everything. So all you do is you just provide an affiliate link. You just send them to a link. And if they click that link and they buy, you get your commission, usually after a waiting period. So if the vendor offers a 30-day money-back guarantee, don't expect your commission within 30 days. They've got to make sure that the person doesn't refund and that sort of stuff. So usually you receive your commission following the refund period and then a little bit of a buffer just in case there's some late requests coming in, okay? But taking that, so it's basically you just give people your link, and then the vendor, their systems take care of all the order fulfillment, the customer care, the support, all that sort of stuff. All those problems are all taken care of for you. You don't worry about it. All you do is you just send people to their order page and enjoy the commissions when they convert. So once again, you're not, you don't have the headache. You don't have to run a customer care team. You don't have to worry about a fulfillment team. You don't have to worry about having support people. Right? You don't have to worry about those outlays. The vendor takes care of all of that. It's flexible. Now you can work when and where you want. Okay, so if you only want to work between 9 and 11, Monday to Thursday, you can do that. Okay, if you're doing affiliate marketing as a side hustle to a job, you can do that. You can just do it where and when you might be able to do it in your lunch hour, maybe an hour after work, maybe 2 hours after dinner. Right? You can just fit this into your schedule as you please, and you can do as much or as little as you want, bearing in mind that in the early days, your return is going to be very much tied to how much time and effort you put into it. Once you get things built up and rolling, and once you get the systems established, then you really don't have to do as much. Like I've got websites now and YouTube videos just ranking. I've done all that work. I did all that work months ago, and they're still sitting up there ranking on the first page of Google. And so I really don't have to do a lot. Sometimes I go in there and just do a little bit of tweaking, a little bit of maintenance and that sort of stuff. But overall, once it's all up and running, I don't have to do a lot, which means I can let that one run and I can start work on another project, which I'm doing at the moment. Okay, so I've got affiliate commissions running in for that one, and that one's just sort of on autopilot, and now I can start another project. So you can do as much as you like if you're just happy with what that commission, for what you're doing with one or two promotions, you don't have to keep on going with others, right? I do this sort of, like affiliate marketing is like a major part of my income, so it's a lot of what I do. But it's up to you. You can earn as little or as much as you like. And the last benefit here is you don't have to be a marketer to get started. So you say, oh yeah, but I need to write a website, and then I need to create emails, and then I need all those pretty pictures, like the graphics for the social media and that sort of stuff. No, like most of the top vendors, so that's the reason why I like to promote the more expensive programs, is because they generally give you all the marketing material. They give you a complete marketing kit. So they give you the emails. Now, we don't just copy and paste the emails. Like you want to sort of reword them a little bit, put a bit of your own personality in it, reword them to your own voice, the way that you speak, maybe change things up so that it will resonate more with your specific audience. But you don't have to start writing these sales materials from scratch. You can have what they call swipe, which means that they have their own internal copywriters. So people who know how to write copy write all these emails and sales pages and all this information for you. Have graphic designers create all the banners and social media images and that sort of stuff for you. And then you can go in and you can use them, you can modify them and that sort of stuff. So once again, if you are brand new at online business and you're looking for the best way to get started, I can tell you now that affiliate marketing is the best way. And it's something that over the years now, I've created a number of online courses. I've held virtual summits, we've produced books and that sort of stuff, but I still do affiliate marketing day in and day out. I still give a little bit of time to affiliate marketing because I know that what I do today will grow and compound into commissions in the future. And it's all hands off basically. Once you've got it set up and running, it's all hands off. Okay, so that's the 5 benefits to affiliate marketing and why you should really start to look at it as something serious, especially once again for guys, like people in their 50s, 60s who are looking for something, are looking for ways to earn a little bit of extra income or a lot of extra income. Affiliate marketing is an ideal option there. So if you found this video useful, please hit the like and give it the thumbs up, and also hit subscribe and the little bell, and you'll be notified when I produce the next video. If you've if you have tried affiliate marketing before, what of these benefits ring true, or do you still have an objection? Do you still have an excuse? What's your excuse? Why aren't you doing this? Put it in the comments below. And of course, tomorrow we're going to go into magic funnel time. So how to sort of put all this together and put everything into on autopilot for you. So that's tomorrow's video. So stay tuned for that. Congratulations for making it to day 9, and I'll see you tomorrow. Until then, take care.